So without a class, we cannot have objects. A class is like a recipe or a set of instructions that tells the computer how to make an object. It says, hey computer, when you create one of these, make sure it has these features and can do these things. Think of the class as a blueprint or a template. A house blueprint will describe the structure of the house, what rooms, floors, windows, and doors the house must have. From this one blueprint, a builder could create multiple instances of the house. He could fill an entire street using this one blueprint if he wanted to. Class defines the attributes and the actions. Attributes are like the characteristics or details that describe the object. If we're talking about a person, attributes could include things like the name, age, height, and eye color. Actions, on the other hand, are things that the object can do. For a person, these can be activities like walking, talking, eating, or sleeping. In our world, we can see everything as an object: a laptop, a pen, a book, and even people. And a program that uses object-oriented technology is basically a collection of all these objects. An object is a collection of related information. Inside an object, we find data stored as attributes and actions. A book can have attributes such as ISBN, title, author, and availability. Can also have actions, so reading can be an action, or if it's a book at a library, we may also have an action to loan the book. All this information, the attributes and the actions, can be contained in one book object. To create an object, the computer first needs to know how, so we first need the class. We can create multiple book objects from this one book class, each with its own unique attribute values. Book 1, Book 2, and Book 3 are instances or objects of the book class. We can create as many books as we want, even enough to fill up an entire library. Each book object has its own set of behaviors defined by the methods of the class. On a book object, we could perform the loan action and loan the book. That behavior is tied to that instance of the object. So if I wanted to loan out book 1, I would call the loan action of the book 1 object, and I would loan out this specific book. The state of an object refers to the collection of all its attributes at a given moment. Well, the state of a book object would include its ISBN, title, author, and availability. Each of these 3 books has its own unique state.